Hey guys, it's me here, and today we're going to be showing off this, and we have another person. Dad, we need you.
You need to open it?
No, I need you to just say what this is called.
Littlest Pet Shop Diva Squad.
Littlest Pet Shop Diva Squad, we're going to be reviewing that. And let's open it. Yes, take off the tape, please. Thank you.
Okay, there we go.
Okay. And this is back if you were wondering. It's shining.
Sonia, Kaya, Lulu,
Wow.
Vera, Sweeter, Louise, Edie, Lucy La Poodle,
This has some weird
Igna,
names.
Kakatu, and Gavin.
So
Wow.
here, some stuff if you were wondering. And there's a surprise.
It's probably a really tiny little pet shop.
Yeah, it is. Open it up.
I'll pop this one out.
Okay, pop it out. Sorry, Jane, we need an entertainment video. Give me Espeon.
You have to get off your seat. Oh, we need scissors. Go ask him for scissors.
Dad, we need scissors.
I think there's some scissors in this room. Look.
There's no scissors. We need scissors.
Just pop out the ones that don't need scissors. This one
I
has.
don't know where the regular ones are
This
at.
one has stuff on it. The bird.
Okay.
Okay.
This might be a spoiler for our video, I'm sorry.
Blue-footed booby bird.
Yay!
I dropped it on the floor.
Really? I'll get it.
I'll pick it up and you get them out.
Okay. I'm gonna get out this pink bunny.
Entertain. Bird on the camera. Birds.
Here's this little one. We're gonna show them off at the end though.
You can't.
Help me!
No.
Okay, I got the poodle out.
Cool.
I'm glad I have another person here, or else I wouldn't be able to entertain.
Entertain.
It's probably drowning right now.
What?
That.
Ah, miss. Jeez.
It's totally getting filled with water over there.
There we go.
I'm getting out the bucktooth snake.
Cool. Yeah.
I'm getting out the surprise one
Cool, but keep it in the surpriseness.
until the end.
Yeah.
I'm really eager. Oh, we can't.
No, yes, we can. I won't see it, and you won't see it. Just keep it in this tiny little cup.
It's just upside down here.
Upside down, upside down, upside down, and right.
Hey! You get your yellow bird back!
Remember, it disintegrated. It disintegrated.
I'm not sure if we ever showed them.
That's very sad. This bird was lost in time. Well, the other one was lost in time.
Yes, it's lost in time.
Lost in time.
We need the scissors again!
Here. Is there a plastic thing?
There's a plastic thing covering up his ears.
Okay. By the way, expect lots of Minecraft videos.
Yes.
Lots of them.
Yes. because our channel's turning into a gaming channel now.
Oh, it's not turning into a gaming channel. It's turned into a channel with games on it and toys and little videos.
Little pickups are toys.
She's being very squeaky. I'm just gonna steal this and we're just going to like put this under this. There we go. Now it's even more of a mystery.
How does that make it more of a mystery?
We can see it. And I have a question.
How would this keep it a mystery on the cover of the video?
Beautiful. I know how to do it perfectly. Oh, for me.
It's out!
Finally, now there's 20 more thousand to go.
There's actually only 3 more to go.
Well, that's 20,000. I got a sneak peek of this and it looks like a giraffe.
It's not a giraffe,
Well, giraffes are cool.
but it's not. You can bring in a real giraffe.
Let's bring in a giraffe.
Sorry for no entertaining there.
Giraffe. It's giraffe.
Why didn't you bring it to the Black Hills?
Because
Ow, I almost stabbed you in the stomach.
Vivian,
I almost.
be more careful.
I'm sorry. Sorry, I'm your sister.
Taking things away from you.
I'm sorry, I'm your sister.
Stop being sorry.
I'm sorry about everything.
Do you want me to do that while you show off those?
Yes. Wait, no. I can't show off them.
Yes, you can.
No, at the end of the video, remember? All of them will get showed off at once?
No! For the title of the thumbnail of the cover, all of them will be showed off.
Okay.
Okay, now just show them off while I try to get these.
Here is a little pink bunny. It's adorable, and you know that other bunny? Yeah, from the review. These two are siblings, and the other bunny, those are siblings. Get out of there.
Why are these packaging so hard always?
Yeah, so friendly.
So annoying to get them out.
Yes. This is this one. And this is a surprise one.
That you cannot see.
Yet.
Even though, you did.
I didn't see much of it. I only saw the color of it. And
So, how do you know it's not draft then?
because I don't think a tiny giraffe could fit in there.
I got one out.
Okay, that's one of my favorites. Here's this one.
It's a lynx.
Yeah. Here's a little lynx. And here's this one. Here's a little birdie. A little burb. And which ones have I showed off?
Oh, you haven't showed off the sheep.
What sheep? This is a poodle.
Sorry, I'm getting mixed up with your knowledge of sheep.
And here's a little buck-toothed snake. Hello. I'm a little buck-toothed snake.
I'm a little butt. And so, I forgot to say.
Here is a little thing.
Lizard.
Oh, here's my favorite dog of it.
It's a lion.
No, it's a dog. Everybody comment down below if you believe it's a dog.
Well, I think it's a dog.
Hashtag Buttercup if it's a dog.
No.
Hashtag May.
No. I think it is a dog, but it just looks like a lion.
Hashtag dog if it's a dog. Hashtag lion if it's a lion. So here's the little dog. I'm going to call it a dog. And please comment down below what dog it is if you believe it's a dog. Here's a little butterfly.
I got everything out without cutting anybody.
Yay! Here's a little kitty. It's a cute little kitty. And here's this little doggy. Sorry if there's 2 repeats in this. Here's a little doggy. A fluffy one. And here's a May. And yeah, that's everybody except for this one. Here's this one. This little fishy. Now before you drown, go back in there. And it's time to reveal it.
Don't worry, I'll see it through here.
Da-da-da-da-da-da.
I can't see it. I see it in real life.
It's a little kitty.
Looks a little bit like a dog.
It's a cute. It's a little kitty with its eyes like this. It's tiny.
It looks like its eyes are doing this.
Yeah.
You can't see what I was
It's
doing.
so adorable.
I have a tiny cat too.
Yeah, they can be friends. You should get it.
I think it might.
I know there's a costume cutie at our house, but I don't want it. Get it right now.
Too lazy to get it.
No, I left it, so I don't want to get it.
Tacos.
Okay, we should go now.
Bye.
Bye.